Oh, it's raining, no? See? You see, it's raining? Yeah? It's raining, right? Good morning. Umuulan. Ang lakas ng ulan, no, baby? Ayan, no, umuulan sa labas. Baby, no, umuulan. Pupo, it's raining outside. Ano pa naman tayo, baby, lalabas? Parang pangit ng panahon. Ano po, lalabas tayo, baby. Opo.
It's hot there.
It's hot there, no? It's cold.
No?
Yeah. Hala, may appointment kasi kami.
Who knows it?
Tapos ang lakas ng ulan. Opo.
Who knows?
Ito siya. Hi po. Umuulan. May lalabas kami ngayon kasi may appointment kami ng kapatid ko. Ang lakas ng ulan. Yes po. Play? Okay, let's go play. Gusto niya maglaro kami. Laro tayo din. Kunin mo yung laruan mo. Pakainin ko to siya mamaya-maya. Pero gusto niya maglaro daw muna kami, no, baby. Play muna tayo. No. Kagabi, tagal namin natulog. Naglaro lang kami ni Kaden. Itong ano, mga truck niya. Tingnan niya yung ginagawa niya. Wow. Wow. Magaling na yan siya maganyan. Sa sasakyan niya. Wow. Mag-count ikaw. 1, 2, 3. There it's here.
It's your truck. Your truck.
Lutuan mo na kita pagkain. Opo. Lutuan ko to siya ng breakfast niya. Kasi yung appointment namin 10 o'clock. Kaya pakainin ko muna to siya. Opo. Ito muna ako pagkain mo, baby, ha. Tapos pagtapos yan, mag-play talaga tayo, baby. Maraming play. No, baby, no. Maraming play yung magaganap. Lutuan ko to siya ng itlog. Mag-play kami mamaya niyan. Lagyan ko lang to ng yung tinapay niya na strawberry jam. Yes. Kainin ko muna to siya. Mag-plancha muna ako ng buhok ko. Habang kumakain si Kaden. Kasi maya-maya, alis na kami. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
wish I was a doctor who could heal your broken heart, analyze each bruise and hear your story from the start, and stitch up every tiny tear with a ribbon and a bow. Prescribe you some new medicine that makes you feel less alone. No, I am not a doctor, just an ordinary girl, but I know the way your chest aches, the way your head swirls when abandoned, beat and broken down by the one who knew you best. I was sleeping when he cut my veins to fuel a new on life out west.
Hi! Ay, nagay na oh. May umiiyak na naman sa likod namin. Oh? Uy, naghay siya oh. Diba, tahimik ka eh. Huh? Ano yung kainano niya? Ah, yung babes niya.
Babes niya, gusto niya tanggalin.
Ay, Nono!
tumutulong si Paul.
Nono, hi! Parang binata na talaga si Nono. Binata na! Oh. Ang driver kong maganda oh. May appointment kami sa immigration eh. Kukulong daw kami. May appointment kami sa immigration kasi nga ano, gulo-gulo ng application namin.
30?
10. Ano ba tayong ano? 9 minutes. Maaga, malapit lang naman eh. Ba't parang ano, may internet ka pa dyan, baby? Stop na yan, iyak yan. Oo. Oo nga eh. Maulan? Pidya ka nga. Bakit na naman yan umiiyak? Matagal na pala yun sila? Pero ba't di, ano, di pa sila nag-ano ng card?
Stage ko yun, matagal na yun. Siguro kasi...
Baby, later. Dito na kami sa loob. Sana isa? Hi, parang magpapadaycare kami dito. Pumunta lang kami sa immigration. Pero parang, oh. Parehas pa naka-yellow yung dalawa, oh. Mamaya na, baby. Siguro maghintay mo tayo doon? No. Pero binuksan niya. Binuksan niya ba? Hindi, magkausap pa siya. Ay, dalawa ba sila dyan? Nandito pa rin kami, oh. Nag-iiyak na to sila, eh. Kaya lumabas na kami. Dito pa rin kami sa immigration. Hi!
That's my turtle.
Mga nag-iingay na sila doon sa loob, eh.
I'm gonna try my turtle.
Tapos nag-aaway na, nag-iiyak pa. Hi, Tintin!
I want to skateboarding.
Hindi ganyan. Wala, Tintin.
But my home is here.
Buti na lang may mga laruan dito. Nag-i-enjoy sila.
Knock, 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 knock.
Doon sa loob, eh. Nag-iiyak na, eh.
Hey, there's a car set. Car. Car, knock, knock.
Tintin.
It's the skin, so it's the leather underneath and the skin.
Hi!
That's your house.
Si Maricel nasa loob pa. Kasi nga inaayos pa yung application namin na magulo.
Between that room and that room, if there was something
Hi!
sharp on the floor that we didn't see on the actual.
Bailey?
Knock, what's here?
Lalaki sila.
Baby.
Incoming! Hindi yung laruan, Tilintin. May gusto siyang pakuha nila. Yun yung mga laruan doon. Lumapit sa akin. Gusto niya kunin yung mga laruan doon. Hindi yung laruan ng display lang yan. Yung mga manika. Nagpakarga. Hindi ganito eh. Hi! Hi! Ay, sige, sige. Bumaba. Alam niyo yung gusto niyang kunin? Ito oh. Ayan yung gusto niyang pakuhanin. Yung tatlo na baby dyan. Hindi yan laruan dyan. Display lang yan, Tintin. Display lang yun. Gusto niya talaga kunin yun. Dito na lang, karga na lang kita. Hindi nga yung laruan, Tintin. Nana. Hindi naman ito ma-open. Ganyan lang yan, oh.
That's a wall, yeah?
But like, then so he got picked up by the police from Donald's house. That happened. Things happened to be going past. And Gary must have anyway, took him to the house. And then Joey said to the car, "I'm like,
Wow.
and then he took the card out of it to use his SIM card. So it jumped all over it, obviously. Yeah.
Wow. Ito, oh.
So he's got a new phone now, but basically, obviously.
When you get on, oh, bed.
Got it charged.
Malaro silang tatlo. Mhm. Hmm?
Just get a new fence panel. Oh, there's no other.
Oh no!
There's no way.
Mag-lipstick ako. Ang cute na ito, oh. Ay, dali. Bakit? Come here.
Isn't it that his friend played on our Raiders team? Yes. But the minute she comes to our first period,
Ang cute na ito. Pinili ko siya sa Temo.
everything, and I was like, you know,
Ano siya? Lip tint.
figure it out.
Yan, oh.
Figure it before you sign a piece of paper. You know what you're signing it up for? She will the whole
Ang
year.
cute niya, oh. Nandito lang yan lagi. Dito sa ano ko, sa susian ko.
Somebody else's thing once before.
Dito ko lang yan lagi.
I don't know what I meant.
Ang susi ko sa damit ko. Para di ko makalimutan. Nakauwi na pala kami kanina pa. Pahinga-pahinga lang tapos nag-scroll-scroll lang kami ni Kaden. Nag-scroll-scroll lang ako sa cellphone ko tapos si Kaden nanonood sa iPad niya. Hindi ko na siya pinatulog kasi ano, hindi ko na pinatulog si Kaden kasi nandito yung cousin niya, naglaro-laro sila. Sigurado to, maaga to siya matutulog. Kasi hindi siya nakapangnap eh. Ano yung nangyari dito sa bahay, oh? Baby, can you clean up please? Please? Can you help mommy? Nasaan na kaya yung lalagyanan na ito? Yeah, kasi si Ruru hindi na siya makaano ulinis, oh. Kailangan natin ulinisin, baby. Nasaan na yung lalagyanan na ito? Baby, no? Come here, help me. Can you help me? Look at Ruru, oh. Nahirapan na si Ruru, baby, maglinis, oh. Nahirapan maglinis si Ruru. Ang dami kasing laruan sa lapag. Kawawa naman. Ito siya, oh. Bibi? Hi! Kawawa naman si Ruru, baby. No. Kawawa si Ruru, baby. Manak po siya ka natin para mamaya na pagtapos ni Ruru maglinis. Yeah. Opo. Ito pa si Kao, oh. Yeah. Baby, what's this one?
Dog.
A dog. What's this one?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Oh, the weird duck.
What's
there.
this one?
The duck.
Duck.
The weird duck there.
Yeah. What about this one? What's this one?
A cow.
Cow. What's this one?
No.
What's this one? Sheep.
A duck. A duck meal.
Yeah. What about this one? What's this one?
A duck meal there.
Yeah, milk. What about this one? What's this one?
Baby.
A goat.
A dog.
Yeah. What about this one? What about this one?
A bird.
What's that one?
No, that's
What's that one?
Ah!
Baby, what's this one?
Sit down there.
Baby, what's this one?
Sit down. Want to sit down?
Oh, you wanna sit down? You wanna get that chair? Can you get it and put it in here? Thank you. Oh, you can sit. Go sit. Can you drink water?
A puppy.
Yeah.
A puppy.
Yeah.
A puppy.
That's not puppy. I think that's a sheep.
A fish.
Where's the puppy? You have puppy, remember?
Puppy. A hot puppy there. A hot puppy. There's a tree. There's a snake. Daddy.
I love you.
Dad.
Wow, is this your shark truck?
Wait. Oh no, there. No, there.
What's this?
No.
Camera.
My mommy came in.
Yeah, that's mommy.
One, two, three. Uh-oh. Where's there? Run. One, it's a phone. Like that. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, this mommy.
Yes, Kaden?
I'm in there.
Your toys, yeah? What's that, a duck? It is a duck. Wow. Where's the pig? Wow. Where's the horse? Where's the horse? Can you show me the horse? Yeah, there's lots of horses. Which one? Which one's a horse? That's a one. Where's the sheep? Can you show me the sheep? Wow. Where's the cow?
Another trader called it
Wow.
white.
It's a white cow.
White.
It's a white. What's the other color is it?
Oh, where's the
Okay. I don't know what you're doing. Where's the goat? Do you know what the goat is?
The board.
That's a horse.
Okay. Back. Tiny.
Mm.
Here. We tiny.
What is that?
What is that?
We tiny.
Is that chicken?
No, tiny.
Mm-hmm. Wow, you got vitamins.
There you go.
Yummy.
You wanna show?
Wow. Have fun eating your vitamins.
Hi, ikaw. Hi, ikaw. Hi, guys. Hello. Hello. Magsing ka daw, baby. Magsing ka daw. Ay, upo. G, H, I, J, K. Floris Lava. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Danger. The floor is ano na lang, bebe? Johnny. Eating sugar. Telling lies. Open your mouth. Ito naman, bebe. Daddy finger, where are you? Mommy finger, where are you? Natawan you're not allowed. Oh, nakita niyo. Daddy finger, mommy finger, where are you? The brother finger, where are you? Sister finger, where are you? Baby finger, where are you? Baby, this one. Here I am. Hugasan ko muna tong mga hugasin namin. Konti lang naman yung hugasan. Yeah? Kakatapos ko lang mag-shower. I-try ko itong lotion na binili ng kapatid ko. Sana pumuti, no? Ang bango na ito eh. Ang bango. Baka gumaling dito yung ano ko. Yung ito ko. Medyo okay na to siya eh. Yung sa kamay ko. Lalo na yung gumamit ako ng safeguard. Nag-ano siya. Medyo nag-okay. Pero hindi pa bumabalik yung pinaka-skin niya. Ano siya eh, parang nabalatan oh. Pero okay na siya kumpara dati. Yung mga nakaraang linggo.